As you become more familiar with using ChatGPT for content creation, it's important to explore advanced techniques that can help you tailor the AI-generated content to your specific needs and provide personalized experiences for your audience. In this section, we will discuss customizing ChatGPT prompts, leveraging fine-tuning, and implementing AI-driven personalization in email marketing and social media. Customizing ChatGPT prompts for better results. While ChatGPT is designed to understand context and generate relevant content, you can improve its output by providing more precise prompts. Experiment with different prompt structures, including specifying the format, tone, and target audience. You can also include examples of the desired output or instruct ChatGPT to think step-by-step or debate pros and cons before generating the content. By refining your prompts, you can guide ChatGPT toward producing content that better aligns with your brand and objectives. Leveraging fine-tuning for brand-specific language and tone. ChatGPT allows users with premium access to fine-tune the AI model based on their unique brand guidelines, language, and tone. This process involves providing custom training data that reflects your brand style and messaging. Once the model has been fine-tuned, it will generate content that more accurately represents your brand, ensuring consistency across your marketing channels. Leveraging fine-tuning for brand-specific language and tone. ChatGPT allows users with premium access to fine-tune the AI model based on their unique brand guidelines, language, and tone. This process involves providing custom training data that reflects your brand style and messaging. Once the model has been fine-tuned, it will generate content that more accurately represents your brand, ensuring consistency across your marketing channels. Implementing AI-driven personalization in email marketing. ChatGPT can be used to create personalized email content that speaks directly to individual subscribers, addressing their specific interests, preferences, and behaviors. By integrating ChatGPT with your email marketing platform, you can automate the process of generating tailored content for each recipient, improving engagement and fostering stronger customer relationships. Automating social media content creation and scheduling. Social media platforms often require a constant stream of fresh content. By combining ChatGPT with social media management tools, you can automate the creation and scheduling of posts, ensuring your social channels remain active and engaging. Customize the AI-generated content to reflect your brand voice and resonate with your target audience. By mastering these advanced ChatGPT techniques, you can further elevate your marketing campaigns, providing personalized experiences that captivate your audience and drive better results. As AI technology continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve and adapting your strategies to harness its full potential is key to maintaining a competitive edge in the ever-changing marketing landscape. In the final section of this course, we will discuss analyzing and improving ChatGPT performance, ensuring that your AI-driven marketing strategies continue to deliver optimal results over time.